Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Yours Music Instagram story sticker. So let's get started. So let's open our Instagram application and make sure that your Instagram is up to date because this is one of the latest features. And then go to your story, select an image that you want to add, and then go to stickers. From stickers, you're gonna have to select add Yours Music and then click on add music. Select the music that you want to add and then reposition the sticker anywhere you want. After that, you're gonna have to go forward. Let's not share in Facebook this time. And then select share. Done. And then we're gonna click on our story. And as you can see, the story has been added with Yours Music sticker. So that's how you can add Yours Music sticker in your Instagram story. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.